How to fix TurboTax Roth IRA. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you're having trouble with your Roth IRA, then it could be due to a couple of reasons. If your reason is incorrect contributions entered, then you want to correct the Roth IRA contribution. For that, go to Deductions and Credits, find Retirements and Investments, click IRA Contribution, select Roth IRA and edit your contribution. TurboTax will check if you are eligible based on your income. Now, if the problem is exceeding IRS contribution limit, then you want to correct a Roth IRA excess contribution. If you exceeded the contribution limit, TurboTax will show a 6% penalty tax. In order to fix it, you want to withdraw excess funds before the tax deadline. If it is already filed, file Form 5329 to correct it. If you have made mistakes with early withdrawal, then you want to report Roth IRA early withdrawals correctly. For this, you want to enter your 1099-R form under retirement income. TurboTax will ask if the withdrawal was qualified or early. Select an exception if applicable. And with these steps, you will be able to fix any issue with Roth IRA in TurboTax. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.